The gang's Narcotics and Firearms GNF unit of the Royal St. Lucia Police Force (RSLPF) has reaffirmed its commitment to dismantling criminal networks across the island. In a video release issued Friday morning, the unit highlighted its ongoing strategic operations, underscoring intensified policing efforts aimed at cultivating a safer and more secure St. Lucia.
The Royal St. Lucia Police Force remains committed to ensuring that individuals in conflict with the law do not undermine the security situation in St. Lucia. Earlier this week, the Commissioner of Police emphasized a strategy prioritizing decisive action over rhetoric in response to the recent spike in gun-related violence. Days after declaring this message, on Thursday, July 10, 2025, the Royal St. Lucia Police Force executed a high-impact multi-unit operation targeting key high-risk areas in the city of Castries.
Inspector Siobhan Matthew, who leads the GNF unit, stated that through deliberate and calculated efforts, the RSLPF has disrupted major criminal operations, seized illegal firearms and narcotics, and made significant arrests.
The joint initiative involved units from the gang's Narcotics and Firearms Unit North, the Special Operations Team, the Mobile Station, and the Department of Road Safety. The operation focused on known hotspots including Wilton's Yard, Marshall, Odlum City, and New Village, where officers conducted stop and search activities, vehicular checkpoints, and foot patrols. Key results from the operation include 46 individuals searched, 52 vehicles stopped, 15 vehicles searched, 6 traffic tickets issued. A major breakthrough occurred about 6 p.m. at the Rosehill-Mondido junction when officers encountered a suspicious individual approaching Wilton's Yard. Upon noticing the officers, the individual attempted to flee but was quickly apprehended. A search revealed 2 illegal firearms, a Glock 45 pistol loaded with 14 rounds and a black AA-19 pistol loaded with 17 rounds of 9mm ammunition.
Inspector Matthew further noted that the suspect was informed of his rights and taken into custody, with charges expected to be filed within 24 hours.
This operation was necessary in response to the recent surge in gun violence in Castries. The strong police presence and enforcement actions are intended to disrupt gang activity and demonstrate our commitment to removing illegal weapons from the streets. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force extends appreciation to all units involved in the operation. Their professionalism and dedication contributed significantly to its success. The RSLPF remains steadfast in its mission to protect citizens and ensure the safety and security of communities across the island.
The RSLPF encourages members of the public to remain vigilant and report suspicious activity by calling the 555 hotline or using anonymous tip lines. The force emphasized that community involvement remains vital in the fight against crime.